Yo, what it do, y'all? It's your boy WhiteDesku. It's cold. It's cold. You guys can see my breath. It's cold out here. It's cold. It's almost Christmas time. I just been vibing, working, vibing, making videos, streaming, making shorts. You already know. But it's been a very interesting year. I can't believe 2021 is already about to be over. I'm gonna head back to bed. I just went outside to do like a little thumbnail for the Minecraft video that you're about to. I think the video is probably out by now. By the time you're watching this vlog, the Minecraft video is probably already out by now. So, yeah. That's how you see me. Should be like that. Should be after Christmas, but yeah. See y'all in January. What is good, y'all? It's 2022 now. What is like January 5th? When was the last time I was really picking up my camera to vlog? Like December 31st? Yeah, I think that's when I installed my RAM the last time y'all saw me. It's been like a whole week or so since then. New Year's happened, and I still need to take that down. Ignore that. I basically like stocked up like 4 uploads for the reaction channel, WhiteDesku React. So go check it out, link in the description below. I uploaded 2 videos today, 2 reaction videos, so go check them out. But yeah, I woke up a little late. I kind of overslept. I was supposed to stream at like 2 or 3 o'clock, but I ended up waking up. It's like almost 4 o'clock, so now I gotta stream after I get my packages in the mail. So follow my Twitch, twitch.tv/WhiteDesku. But yeah, see you in a minute. Yeah, I was not leave that at my door. Oh well. Alright, lighting conditions are not the best right now. Mainly because I don't feel like turning the softbox on, turning it around. So I got my G Fuel right here, and I got my PC fans right here. I got the triple RGB Corsair fans. Sorry if I'm not using the correct term. I'm just trying to hurry up and unbox it so I can install them and then stream right away, because I was supposed to stream like 2-3 hours ago. Okay, yeah, so it's the Corsair SP120 RGB Elite Triple Fan Kit. Corsair, you have to sponsor me at this point. Also, G Fuel YouTube. I know you see that G Fuel cam right there. One right here, one right there, and one on top. There's my new RAM sticks right there. Alright, so I'm gonna install them right quick. So I unfortunately forgot that NZXT does some cable management on the pre-build, so I gotta make sure to snip through the cables for the I gotta snip through the cables on the cable management on my PC. But there's the fans that unscrewed everything except for this one right here. I want to be a little bit more tricky, but I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera. I'll see y'all in a few, and I'll show you guys the results after. Alright, y'all, the moment you all been waiting for.
Alright guys, that'll be all for this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Would you upgrade a pre-built PC, or would you just stick to building a PC? Let me know in the comments below. See y'all next one.